This completely renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath Harborside Gardens property is on Moorings Bay and sits directly across the street from the Gulf Beach access. Built in 1968, this boater's delight features luxury amenities to include boat slips available for lease, a community pool, a barbecue and picnic area, and a vehicle wash station. Conveniently situated on the first floor, this 1,472 square foot unit uses an open floor plan to maximize the space. With 24-inch tiles throughout, this unit maintains a consistent flow from room to room. In addition to the expansive impact windows overlooking the water, the generous kitchen boasts granite countertops and a large island with additional cabinetry and counter space. The view from the kitchen will direct all eyes to the glittering bay. Each bedroom in this unit is spacious, perfect for living or entertaining. A private washer and dryer add that extra touch of convenience to this Harborside Gardens condominium. Finally, to further increase the appeal of the property, Harborside Gardens provides covered parking with additional private storage available. Owners will appreciate the proximity of this property to the popular dining and shopping at the Venetian Village, which is just a short walk from the door. Call me for more information on this unit or any other properties listed in the Moorings.